Hi guys, welcome to Show Travel Recipes. Today we'll take you to a very less known but a great fort called as Visapur Fort. This fort has a very great history. It was built in 18th century and the Britishers tried a lot of effort. They took lot of manforce and ammunition to capture this fort. We will see soon why it was very difficult to capture. So guys, come and join me in this wonderful trek. Let's go. You can either start your journey from Mumbai or Pune to go to Visapur Fort. मैं पुणे से एक लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ टू द नियरेस्ट स्टेशन ऑफ विजापुर फोर्ट कॉल्ड एज मलवली स्टेशन। मलवली से विजापुर जाने के 3 रास्ते हैं। पहला वाया पतन, सेकंड वाया बाजे केव एंड थर्ड इज़ वाया तार रोड विच इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट बट द ईजीएस्ट। मलवली से विजापुर जाने के लिए हम रूट नंबर 1 लेंगे और फिर वापस आने के लिए रूट नंबर 3 लेंगे। Before going there, we need these ingredients for safe journey: water, mobile phone, power bank, good shoes, sunglasses, chocolates, energy drink, and last, money. I have now started my journey from Pune station in this local train. See the beauty created by Monsoon on the way. We have now reached the Malavali station. अब हम पतन विलेज से पास करते हुए विजापुर फोर्ट तक चल के जाएंगे और ये रहा विजापुर फोर्ट का मार्क टुवर्ड्स माय लेफ्ट साइड। See, the monsoon has changed the color of this village. That's the Visapur fort. Now the real trekking starts from here. See the 360-degree view. इस रास्ते में तो पूरा जंगल है। We have to cross this to reach the fort. हमने सोचा था यहाँ बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही होगी, पर यहाँ तो सूरज ही हमारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ रहा। We are getting dehydrated. ओह, वहाँ ऊपर तक हमें चल के जाना है। Oh my God. या रास्ते में एक छोटा सा वाटरफॉल भी है। After relaxing at waterfall, we again started our journey towards Visapur fort. I am now on some flat plateau. See the clear view of the landscape from here. We have stopped here to get refreshed. We are walking since last 2 hours. Now 1 more hour to go. See this. There up is the Visapur fort. We have to go there. And we are continuing moving into the jungle. We are now out of the jungle, and that's above is Visapur fort at 60-degree slope. हमें इस गुफा के पास से गुजरते हुए फोर्ट तक जाना है। We have now reached the top of the Visapur fort. See the mouth opening, awesome view. This is one of the end of Visapur fort, and that's the Logad fort in the front. That's the cannon from 18th century. I am now at the other end of Visapur fort. This is not a painting, believe me. Wow, यहाँ natural swimming pool भी है. Now it's time to take the bath. After getting refreshed, we have started our return journey through this route number 3. The route is changed, but the nature beauty isn't. Wow, what a green it is. That's the south side of the fort. We have to descend from here. After descending, it's just a normal walk in the jungle along the southern side of the fort. That's the Logad fort. We have now reached the tar road, but our journey is still not finished as we have to walk another 5 kilometers on this road. Let's go. We have reached the Malavali station. Now we are heading back to home by taking all this memory of green monsoon. And if you like the taste of this recipe, remember to like and subscribe.